UPS has been busy today. Let's see what they gave us now. A big old box. It's kind of heavy. I'll open it upside down. Why not? Wow, that is kind of strange. That's a lot of air.
Yeah.
It's weird. Because it costs to ship air usually. Huh. All right. This again. Uh-oh. There's like a lot of loose stuff in there. Let's see what we got. Sounds like a mess. What did you buy? A box of rocks?
Yeah.
Or just more stuff to laugh at me to try to watch me to put it together.
It might have said some assemblies required.
Some. Alright. I think there's another box in the box. Did you buy some of those Russian dolls?
What the heck here, man?
Wow.
Ooh, oh, I see a green palm frond.
Okay, there's a
Look, a brown chunk.
Oh.
Oh my. Big OG.
Wow, this sucker's gonna be tall. I'm guessing that's the top. There's a hole in there. No hole in there. There's a hole in there. There's no hole in there. Alright, we'll do the instructions just for the heck of it. What do we got here? This is some of the green lights.
The palm fronds.
Let's go ahead and put that there. We'll get rid of the box here if we can. Palm fronds, you act like you know what it's going to be. Oh my gosh, there it is. There's a picture of it. Wow. A lot of cardboard, let me tell you. A lot of cardboard.
No.
Never cut toward yourself, always cut.
Towards your spouse?
No, away from yourself.
Okay, good. Away from yourself. Got it. Not towards your spouse.
If you happen to be over there. Hey, look at, I know what that is. I've seen one of those before.
Yeah, that looks familiar.
Looks like we're missing a screw, but that should be in one of his bags, hopefully.
Whose parts?
You better have some parts. Here, let's get this on the wood, or the table. So we got a little bit of bend in here. It looks like we got some shipping damages. Gonna have to bend some stuff straight, maybe. Alright. Put it back over here, I guess. Woohoo!
I don't quite match. They do this thing that your favorite restaurant table loves to do.
But they look like they're bendable. Wow, they look like palm fronds.
Da 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 da.
More cardboard. Empty.
Where's those loose parts?
This guy here, I'm guessing. Where are we going to put this together at? I guess we're going to need to move to the floor pretty soon.
Yeah.
We're going to bend that stuff. How bendable is that? And this guy here, he looks pretty bad. Let's see. Oh, strong. Alright, it should be easy. Whenever we get there.
Alright.
Oops. Anyway, okay. We'll figure it out. Alright, let's see what's in here. Wild, man, wild.
Wild King. Are you cutting toward yourself?
Oh no!
Are you breaking your own rule?
Break my own rule. What we got in here?
What is it?
It's one of those.
One of those.
Ready?
Oh! Oh,
It's
see?
a slinky.
I heard somebody did put the last one together for us. Jeez. Wow. You get to put the trunk together.
Holy moly! All right, there's the thumb screw. It's gonna go in the bottom of somewhere.
Good.
Wow.
What's that?
All right, there's instructions. We better get the instructions out. What? No pictures?
Oh.
I need pictures. Will you read that to me?
Unfold the cross base and tighten down the set screw to secure it. So you got to get your set screw.
All right.
And then you assemble the sections of the pipe and insert into the base. Well, that's not very specific. There's a picture back here, but not really. This is for the plug.
There's my set screw. Right here, right? Is that what we're talking
Yes,
about?
Yes. Put silver clips on the coil light frame. Half on the top and half on the bottom. Where's the silver? Oh, these are the silver clips, probably.
All right. Screw set.
I think those are your clips.
Those are my clippies. All right, and I got some of these in case I want to stick them in the ground again, probably.
Yes.
All right, we got a hardwood floor, so I don't think we're going to be going that route today.
All right.
All right, now we have
We'll save
our
them for
slinky,
future
slinky.
luau's. Okay, that's cute.
Slinky. Okay, it's not a slinky. All right.
Not a slinky, sweetheart.
Am I supposed to stretch it? All right, what do we do next?
Next thing that we do is put the coil light over the tree trunk. So we haven't, you may have to remove the top post first because of that probably. So we only want to put one part of it together, get that coil on, and then maybe put the other part on.
Yeah?
And I don't know, these are supposed to go somewhere.
Yeah, I bet you they are. There's
Half
no
on the
pictures.
top, half on the bottom. Oh, no.
We'll figure it out. All right, so. Did it say it's about to put, what's it saying to do next?
The clips. And then after that, you put the light over the trunk. So we're getting ahead of ourselves. We've got to put the trunk together. But I think only one part of it, get the light on, and then the other part. I think that's the top, because that seems to be what holds on the front.
And this thing has a hole in it for some reason. I don't know why.
Yeah.
I'm guessing it's going to go like that, but it's not fitting very good.
Yeah.
It can't
Unless
go like
it goes
that.
there.
No way, that would be silly.
No.
It's got to be right here.
Oh, crap. Whoa, careful.
It's
Yeah,
going to be
it's got to be, because the way that this looks is how that'll fit on that side. Oh, good. Yes.
I'm the man.
Yes,
All right.
you are. Okay, but what about that?
What about that?
That's got to go on.
Got to go on?
Yeah, it's got to go on.
It's got to go on. Where are we going to put it?
It goes around the trunk.
Okay. Let me guess. This is going to be towards. Where's it going to be the
I think
bottom?
either way doesn't matter.
Is that going to be the bottom or is that going to be the bottom?
Don't know.
You can see the way.
Oh, I see what you mean.
Yeah.
Whichever side snaps into this. Hold up.
I think they're both the same on either end.
No, this is female.
Remember?
This is male.
Remember?
It has to go like this.
Okay, so this is going to go like. No, this is going to screw into this. So this is the bottom.
And this is also male to female. So
All right.
again, yep.
Keep going.
Awesome.
All right,
Okay,
so that needs to be on the floor.
Mm-hmm.
So bring it over here. See?
Oh, yeah.
See, so that's the bottom. Put that guy down. Should we get him straightened out? How is he looking? That guy looks kind of bent. I'm gonna go ahead and bend him straight.
Got the Christmas tree stand coming. Oh.
Something like that. All right. We need to go down a little bit with these guys. Somehow. Straight. Woohoo!
Excellent.
Okay, and I'm guessing this guy's just gonna go down on here somehow.
You got it.
Like that.
Yeah.
I hope.
Sort
Man,
of.
these things are tight.
Yeah.
There you go. And I'm guessing this thing goes through here
Alright,
somehow.
so I think here's the thing, you know those silver clips? That's what's gonna help hold that in place as you go up. So you have a silver clip here, and it holds this part. That's what's going on. Here, let's grab the silver clip.
Turn into a slinky, huh?
It will.
Oh boy.
And then we gotta get the fronds and do that next.
Alright, there's a clippy.
Mm-hmm. Snip clippity, snip clippity, clip clip. Snip snip.
Gotta do it this way first.
Oh, see.
Either way it's gonna be
What?
not very easy.
Oh. That's not good.
See what I'm saying here?
I see it.
It's gonna be pretty strong to get that thing to go up in there, right? I'm pretty strong.
Oh, yeah, you are.
Alright.
One on each side.
Oh.
You only have 4.
I know,
You need
but
2 for top, 2 for
I know
bottom.
one on each side. I got you. We're doing it right. Come on, that the first one was easy, I guess, because it was in my face. There you go. It's there. See, so that's there. We got one here and one here.
No, because we need 2 for the bottom.
2 for the bottom. We got tie wraps and stuff, don't we? How many do we have all together? 4?
Only 4, yeah. So here you go, I guess.
Yeah, because that seems awkward.
Well, I just said to put 2 on each side, 2 on top, 2 on bottom.
Where would you put it?
Here, I would put it here. This here.
Right here?
Here.
Right here?
Yep.
Alright.
Yep. There you go.
Let's do it. Alright? One more over because it'll make it a little more of the half. Let's just spread out that way because the other one's out there. Right against each other right there. Alright. That's weird. Okay. That thing we gotta stretch it all the way down, huh? That's gonna stretch all the way to the bottom. Is that what it says we have to do?
Supposedly. That
Whoa.
doesn't seem right at all.
This is trippy, man. It seems like I'm gonna break something.
I know.
So I guess I should start.
Oh, wow. Wow, yeah. Yeah, that's all you can do. Wow.
Okay, just unscrew it. No, I can't do that. I don't want to put too much strain on those because I could probably, oh yeah, I'm already bending those.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, so.
Must be careful with those.
Yeah.
So it looks like a little bit of work
Definitely.
to get the palm tree effect going on here. Man. Make sure I bend it all the same. It's going to be hard to do. Okay,
And then your 2 clippies are down there.
so that's what those 2 guys are for. I get it. Alrighty then.
Now the top.
That looks all pretty cool, I guess.
Oop.
Do a little bit of a lean to it. Almost straight up.
All
There
right.
we go. I hope our roof's tall enough. Let's give it a try. It looks like it's going to take about 2 of us to get these up there.
Yep.
Alright, so here's that.
Yeah, that part's closing, so we want that to be over here again.
Somewhere. We got
It'll
these
go
hooks. See?
Yeah, they snap in there.
Yeah. Maybe to tilt it up higher.
Like
Yeah,
that?
yeah, more. There you go. Straight there.
Oh, yeah, I hope our roof is long enough for this.
There you go. There's
Just
one.
barely. We'll get that up first.
Wow. I guess, I don't know, maybe straight across from that one? Let's try that.
Okay. Well, there's 4, though.
I know.
There's 4 of these houses. I think it's got a...
Okay, so just gotta figure out how to get in there without running into some little rope over.
Oh, gotcha. That's
Okay.
the toughie.
Okay. There's 2.
Okay, and then...
We're gonna go inside it.
Yeah.
Or should we run that? You wanna do it like that?
Yeah.
Okay, I can't see.
I don't know.
When you whoops in my way,
I don't
can't see it.
think this one will line up with it.
Let me see.
Maybe that's not meant to go in that one. It's not gonna go in.
You go a little bit. This guy here. Can you hold this one over here for me? Come around here. Or just hand it. There you go. Sure it's bent.
Awesome.
Belly down, deep as it goes there, goes down. Alright, let's plug this guy into here. Here we go. Hopefully this thing's not too bright. Ready?
Wow.
Wow, it kind of lights up the living room a little bit.
Yeah.
That's pretty cool.
Oh, that's pretty.
Nice.
Very, very nice.
Look at that.
Oh, yeah.
Pretty tall too.
Yeah.
7 feet. So for all you people wondering if it meets your expectations for the one you ordered on Amazon, this thing said 7 feet. It was 7 feet. I'm 6 feet, so right on. Alright, looks good. So let's go ahead and move this, see where we're going to put it, and do some little fine tuning and call it quits.
Yeah. See ya.